In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix "Sorry, you have been blocked" Cloudflare. If you're seeing that message when you try to visit your site, it often comes down to a cached response or a stale cookie in your browser. We'll tackle it from both sides, first by clearing the site's cache in Cloudflare, then by testing privately and cleaning your browser's data. Start by signing into your Cloudflare dashboard and head to your list of domains. Select the domain that's showing the block message. Once you're inside that domain, open the caching section. From there, go to Configuration so you can access the purge options. Locate the custom purge area, and instead of targeting individual files, choose Purge Everything. When prompted, confirm Purge Everything. A quick heads up on what you just did. Purge Everything clears the cached resources for that domain across Cloudflare's network. This does not delete your content, but it does force Cloudflare to fetch fresh copies from your server. Expect the first few page loads to be a touch slower while the cache warms back up. This is normal and often resolves odd, sticky behaviors like invalid blocks that were stored in cache. Next, let's verify the change without any old cookies or extensions getting in the way. Open your browser's menu at the top right and choose a new incognito or private window. In that private window, try loading your site again. If it works here, that's a strong sign your regular browsing session was holding on to something outdated. To clean that up, go back to your normal browser window and open the menu again. Choose Delete Browsing Data. Switch to the More or Advanced tab so you can precisely select what to remove. Set the time range to all time. Make sure cached images and files are included, and consider clearing cookies for the site if you're still running into the block. Then confirm Delete Data. Once that's finished, reload your site in a standard window. With Cloudflare's cache purged and your local data cleared, most "Sorry, you have been blocked" messages caused by stale cache or cookies should disappear. A couple of final tips. Make sure you're working in the correct Cloudflare account and domain. If the block persists even after these steps, it may be related to security settings such as firewall rules or rate limiting rather than cache. In that case, check your security logs or follow up with your site administrator to review recent rule changes. That's it. You've cleared the Cloudflare cache, tested in a private session, and cleaned your browser data to fix the block message. Thanks for watching and good luck.